In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on spell check in Hubspot. As you embark on creating flawless content within Hubspot, it's important to remember that Hubspot itself does not have an integrated spell checking feature. Instead, it leverages the spell check capabilities of your web browser. Sometimes if you notice that spell check isn't functioning as it should, it's likely due to a setting within your browser or perhaps an extension you're using. So let's dive into ensuring your browser is set up to support you as you create content on Hubspot. To start, we'll focus on Google Chrome, one of the most widely used browsers, which has a robust spell check feature. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon if it's on your desktop or searching for it in your applications. Once it's open, you'll need to access the settings menu, where many of the browser's configurations can be adjusted. You can find this menu by clicking on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of your browser window. In this drop-down menu, look for Settings. Once you click on this, you'll be directed to the main settings page. Here, Chrome gives you a plethora of options to customize your browsing experience, but we're focusing specifically on the language settings today. So, scroll down to find the Languages option. This section caters to everything related to the way Chrome manages different languages and, crucially for us, how it checks spelling across those languages. When you're in the Languages section, you'll notice a subsection labeled Spell Check. Click on it to expand your options and you will see a few different settings regarding spell checking within Chrome. Make sure to enable Enhanced Spell Check. This advanced feature works by linking up with Google's search algorithms, providing a more comprehensive spell check for your text. Moving this toggle to the On position should activate these more advanced checking capabilities. By activating Enhanced Spell Check, you're ensuring that errors and typos are caught, helping you maintain professionalism and clarity in your Hubspot content. Remember though that this setting will be active anytime you use Chrome, not just in Hubspot. If you find that certain words are being flagged inappropriately, you can add them to a personal dictionary within Chrome settings, allowing even more customization. That wraps up how you can ensure that spell check is turned on and enhanced in Hubspot while you're using Google Chrome. By following these steps, you help ensure your content is polished and professional, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, connecting with your audience. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other HubSpot tips to make the most of your marketing efforts.